Can you name these 10 animals by their images? First one, let's go! Chicken. Second one. Rabbit. Third one. Cow. If you got the first 3 right, like the video. Fourth one. Dog. Fifth one. Cat. Make sure your phone is not being spied on. Click the arrow at the very bottom. Right, then swipe right and click more, and make sure you don't have a blue radar app. Sixth one. Panda. Seventh one. Elephant. Eighth one. Monkey. Ninth one. Penguin. Are you ready for the last question? Don't forget to follow and comment your score to be on the weekly leaderboard of the top performers. Dolphin. Comment your score and follow us for more.